an object called music. Click and drag onto that. Get rid of this. Doesn't matter where this music variable is. So we want to add a script to it. Call it, I don't know, continuous loop music. I don't know. So we open that up and we create a static variable called, I don't know, exists. Static variable called exists. Static var exists colon boolean. Am I recording this? Yes. Static var exists boolean. So, and I want to set that to true. No. I want to set it to true if exists. It's false right now. If it does exist, I want to set it. I want to destroy the game object, the music. In other words, I don't want to hear it twice. Because what's going to happen is this game object. So now I want to set exists to true. So let's try that. Whoops, didn't work. Not compatible with system type. Oh, I'm sorry. This is lowercase. Lowercase is the game object itself. The uppercase game object is the type game object. We don't want that. So, will it work? Alright, let's try this out. I died. Now, if I play hit again. There we go, perfect. Problem is, if I hit main menu, it's going to keep going. We don't want that. We don't want that. So, we need a way to destroy the music we want a way to destroy the music if the application changes to the scene. So if application dot loaded level, sorry, this is lowercase, loaded level equals 0, and we want to destroy this now. Well, that's a fun little tidbit, very useful. Now we hit the menu. Oops, that didn't work. That didn't work because this isn't running. This only runs at the beginning. We want it to run when the scene changes. So, is there a behavior that can do that? I don't know. So let's test it out. Unity. On scene load. Does that exist? So go to this, answers.unity, whatever. Okay. Okay. So there's something called on level was loaded. Okay, so let's try this. So we don't want this, we want this. If level equals 0, destroy game object. Alright, so let's try this. Bam! Hey menu. What? Works perfectly. Start. Oh. So why didn't that work? Let's test this out. I know why. Because this static variable exists, will always be true no matter what. So let's set it back to false. Before you destroy it, dummy. Get rid of this line of code. Blah blah, warning, I don't care. Main menu, good. Start, restarts. Alright, we're good. So that works. What? Okay, so we're good, we're good. So that's a little tidbit of knowledge that we can all use. And what else do we need for a Flappy Bird game? Let's get music for when you actually score a point. Let's do that. So now I'm going to go into my Flappy Bird game. It's called Flappy Bird, Flappier Bird I called it. I'm going to go into my assets, sounds. I'm going to take my lost and my win sounds and my point sounds, and I'm gonna go into my current directory. I'm just gonna put them in there, copy paste. So now I have a lot of this music, sounds. I want to put a folder in there, put it in there. Actually, I want to put it in my resources folder. This point sound, I used an 8-bit generator for it. So we want to hear that every time we get a point. So let's put that in there. We go to our code, word behavior, score, script. We want to do audio clip, dot play clip at point. Now I need an audio clip. I'm going to go into my resources folder and load my point asset, and then I want to play it at vector 3.0. It doesn't matter where I play it. Doesn't matter where I play it because it's a 2D sound. Well, it's going to be. Oops, why did I do that? Make all these 2D sounds. Alright. Error. Play clip at point is not a member of audio clip. It's not. Okay. So now I have to go back into Unity and do play clip at point. Audio source. Bingo. Play. It's safe for some reason. Okay, why didn't that work? Play clip at point. Let's click on this. On this clip. New vector 3.5.2. It's not. Wait, clip that. Audio source dot play clip at point. I don't get it. It's right there. Now it works. Whatever the difference was, my bad. Save, and now whenever I trigger the trigger, blink. Okay, so now I want to hear my death noise whenever I get hurt. That's going to be here, this lost sound that I made. Okay, so let's do that. So we go to our script, bird behavior, over here, same deal, audio source, click the point, go to the resources folder because I don't want to allocate a variable, lost, at point, vector 3.0. Vector 3.0 just means 0.000. Vector 3 is a variable type with 3 inputs, x, y, and z. Vector 3.0 is just the points 000 on the map. I got some errors. Okay, resources not load. Put that at the wrong spot. Now, this music is too loud. Let's change that. Volume. Let's make it 0.4. Who cares? Now it's a lot lower, and now we can hear the clink. And this is a lot lower, and that's fine. Yeah, that's why. Okay. And that's it. Now we have sounds, music, sounds. One more thing. Now the bird, we want the bird to rotate when he's falling down. So let's do that. So we want to just do it manually. Transform. By manual, I mean use the transform. Instead of applying angular velocity, we'll just apply. You know what? Yeah, let's just apply an angular velocity. Let's try that. So before the game starts, body angular velocity 0, 0, negative 60 degrees. I think it's degrees. Time dot delta time. And now when you click the button, we want to set its rotation equal to vector 3, 0, 7 degrees. So we'll see what that does. Oops. Okay. It's not possible to invoke expression type unity and dot vector 3. Oops. I want to set this equal to a vector 3. Okay, so angular velocity is of type vector 3, so we're setting it equal to this vector 3 inputs. There it is, x, y, and z. Hit play. Now we have a rotating bird. Yay! You can notice that the beak moves over a little bit.